Today, kids, it's time for another fun and exciting science lesson with Teacher Les. Do you hear that? It's coming from the science laboratory. And it means that there is an experiment going on in there. Aha! It's a great way to start our lesson for today. Come and join me as we enter the science world inside the lab room.
Hi there, partner! How many times should I tell you to please use the door upon entering? I'm so sorry, partner. But hey, I am with our science friends again. Can you say hi to them? Hi there, kids! It's me, Sci France, your friendly scientist. Well, teacher, you're just on time for today's experiment. Perfect! So what are we waiting for, Sci France? Let us get ready and check all the materials that we need for this activity. Ready? Time to hop in, teacher!
Okay, so the following are the materials we need for this experiment. We have baking soda, vinegar, dishwashing liquid, red food coloring, a plastic or any bottle that you have at home, sand, colored papers, brown and green, paper plate or any plate that you have at home, tape, scissors, funnel, and spoon or any scooping material that you have in your kitchen. But before we start, wear your aprons and face shield. If you have your goggles at home, you can wear that too. Let's get started! Step number 1, using the brown paper, create a cone and cut the tip of it and make sure that it fits on the bottle that you will use. For step number 2, let us get our green paper this time. Cut it into strips and then make grasses out of it. And then paste it around the cone that you made. And for our final step, there we have it, our mini volcano. Great job, teacher! This time, let us work on the bottle inside this volcano. For the fourth step, let us pour 4 scoops of baking soda inside the bottle using a funnel. For the 5th step, add the red food coloring. For the 6th step, add some dishwashing liquid. And of course, for the final ingredient, let's add the 50 ml of vinegar. Come on, kids! Let us watch and see how our science experiment works. Ooh, it smells bad in here. And what happened to our mini houses and grasses and also the soil? And hey, there's still flowing materials coming out of our mini volcano. The bubbles seem so realistic. I cannot stay any longer in here. So how was it, teacher? Though it's a bit scary, it was fun. Thank you for sharing your time with us, Sci France. No worries. See you again next time. Bye! Bye-bye! This time, let us go back to our classroom. And we're back, and and ready to continue our lesson for today.
This is the Al volcano during its eruption on January 2020. Can you still remember its effects? Not just to people, but also to the animals and plants as well? Together, we will identify the effects of volcanic eruption to the Earth's surface.
Number 1. Very hot lava flow can burn anything on its path. This photo shows the lava flow coming out from Mayon volcano during its eruption in 2009. Because lava is very hot, it can easily destroy and burn anything on its path on fire. Number 2. The mud flow or lahar can cause landslides, flooding, and immense damage to buildings and farms. The photo that you can see on the screen right now is the lahar caused by the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in the year 1991. It affected not just one, but a big portion of the lowland towns and cities around the volcano. Number 3. Volcanic ash and dust can irritate the lungs and can cause health problems. This is a photo of the Al volcano during its 2020 eruption. We can see the hot ash clouds rising from its crater. This can cause serious health problems, not just to people, but also to animals. Finally, number 4. Strong eruptions can cause earthquakes. This can cause extreme damage to properties and can put people and animals in danger. Again, here are the negative effects of volcanic eruption. But, aside from destruction and negative effects, materials coming out from volcanoes can also have beneficial and positive effects to people, plants, and animals. Let me show you some of it. Number 1. Pyroclastic material can make the soil fertile. This is true. In the long run, it can enrich the soil due to the minerals deposited from volcanic materials. It is very beneficial in planting crops, just like what we can see on the photo in here. Number 2. Fumaroles can provide geothermal steam to generate electricity. This is Mount Apo in Davao and North Cotabato. The heat inside Mount Apo can cause gases to come out through vents or holes called fumaroles. In here, we can see the Mount Apo geothermal power plants that provides electricity in Mindanao. This is very beneficial not just to people but also to houses, properties, and establishments. Number 3. Eruptions can produce industrial materials like pumice and sulfur. In here, we have a photo of a pumice rock. It is used in grinding and polishing stones or simply by using it just like what is shown in this photo. While sulfur is used in making matches and firecrackers. And number 4, rocks coming from volcanic eruptions can help scientists in studying the interior of the Earth. There we have it, kids. We have here the positive effects of volcanic eruption. Now that we are all aware about the negative and the positive effects of volcanic eruption, let us go back to the classroom.
There you go, kids. I hope that you learned something about the effects of volcanic eruption. Remember, with Teacher Less, you can worry less and learn more. Until next time!